Got a tag, new horse, middle of April. Beautiful day today, fantastic Monday. Horse is looking real nice. Looks like she knows what she's doing. It's kind of first time on him, really. Trying a new saddle on him, trying a new rigging on him. See if he's comfortable. Looks like he's going to be a nice little horsey. And some tuning up. If he quits chewing on my barn, we'll keep him.
Really, the train is real good with the leg piece.
Yeah. If I choose my barn, we're going to eat him.